If you want to create professional-looking videos fast, then learning how to use templates in CapCut PC is one of the easiest shortcuts you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to template in CapCut PC step by step, so you can turn your photos and clips into a polished video in just a few minutes. This is perfect if you want to make content for social media, vlogs, edits, intros, or even quick promotional videos without starting from scratch. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the CapCut app on your computer and stay on the main start screen. Once CapCut loads, you'll see the main dashboard, and from here, you want to look at the left sidebar. On that sidebar, click the Templates tab. This is where CapCut keeps a huge library of ready-made video styles that you can use instantly. After clicking Templates, you can start browsing through the feed to see what's available. CapCut usually shows a wide variety of template styles, so take a moment to scroll through and explore what catches your eye. If you already know what kind of video you want to make, you can save time by using the search bar at the top. Try searching for styles like vlogs, beats, intros, transitions, aesthetic edits, or anything related to the type of content you're creating. This makes it much easier to find a template that matches your idea instead of scrolling endlessly. Once you find a template you like, click on it to preview how it looks. The preview is important because it lets you see the animation style, pacing, text placement, and overall feel before you commit to it. If the template matches your video idea, click Use Template to open it in the editor. Now CapCut will take you into the template workflow, where you'll need to add your own media. This is the part where you import your photos or videos and place them into the designated media slots. Usually, CapCut will guide you slot by slot, so you can simply choose the files from your computer and drop them into the correct places. Make sure you choose media that fits the style of the template, because the better your photos or clips match the beat and motion, the better the final video will look. If the template uses several clips, try to select your strongest visuals first, so the edit feels clean and engaging. After your media is added, you can customize the template if needed. This may include editing any text, changing stickers, adjusting music, or making small tweaks so the video feels more personal and on brand. You do not always need to change everything, but even small edits can make a big difference and help your video stand out from other people using the same template. If the timing feels off, you can also trim or rearrange the media so each part lines up better with the template flow. Take a quick preview of the finished edit and make sure everything looks the way you want it to. Check the text for spelling, make sure the visuals are in the right order, and confirm the audio fits the mood of the video. When you're happy with the result, the last step is to click Export. CapCut will then render your video and save it to your computer, so it's ready to upload or share. And that's how to template in CapCut PC from start to finish. It's a fast and easy way to create stylish videos without needing advanced editing skills. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.